I have been getting more serious about my health and my fitness, so I decided to get this Etekcity kitchen food scale. It's easy to use. You just connect it to their app, then you'll receive a nutrition report. This scale allows you to accurately measure your food with or without a container. So you can measure in ounces, grams, or milliliters. So it helps you customize your own food data for your personalized tracking. So this has been allowing me to monitor my intake of my food. So with the scale's capabilities, this is allowing me to stay healthy and more fit. I highly recommend this scale.